Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a crypto wallet in Exness. Connect your wallet to Exness by enabling Web3 and selecting the correct network. Start by creating a wallet and backing up your seed phrase offline, then fund with a small test amount. Next, link the wallet from your Exness account page and confirm the connection with a small transfer to verify addresses and network fees before larger transfers. First, log into Exness and open the deposit section, then choose crypto to see supported coins and networks. Click Connect Wallet and approve the Web3 prompt in your wallet app or extension, ensuring the selected network matches Exness. After connecting, copy the deposit address shown by Exness and verify it inside your wallet before sending a small test amount to confirm everything works and fees are acceptable. Always start with a small test transfer to confirm addresses, network selection, and fees before larger deposits. Protect your seed phrase and private keys by keeping them offline and never sharing them with anyone or entering them into websites. If a transaction looks wrong, pause and verify the address and amount. Use a blockchain explorer to check transaction ID and confirmations to ensure funds reach the Exness address safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.